Dear manufacturers of all types of diesel generator and their assemblies or sub-assemblies or components, this video is for you. All your products now require mandatory BIS certification under the latest regulations. If you are feeling confused about which products need this certification, whether your specific products fall under the order, and how exactly to apply for BIS certification, including all the preconditions, don't worry. We are covering everything in detail in this video. Welcome to MindSync. MindSync is a professional organization providing compliance consulting, legal and advisory services. Let's begin by identifying which all types of products fall under the mandatory BIS certification order. To make this classification easier, we can divide the products into specific HSN codes. All products falling under the following HSN codes will require mandatory BIS certification. If your product falls into any of these categories and codes, you are now mandated to obtain BIS certification. Now, under this order, all types of products are categorized into three types of standards. Type of standards, IS 16819. This standard provides general principles for design, risk assessment, and risk reduction. It's more of a broad framework to ensure that your machinery is designed with basic safety principles in mind. Next, Type B standards. While Type A focuses on design level safety, Type B standards cover generic safety requirements such as emergency stop functions, electrical safety across different types of machinery. These are common safety features applicable to all machinery types, regardless of their specific function. Type C standards. These are the most specific standards. Type C standards are machine-specific safety guidelines tailored to individual categories of machinery. Our first standard is reciprocating internal combustion engine-driven alternating current generating sets, Part 2 engines. This standard defines the key characteristics of reciprocating internal combustion engines used in alternating current generating sets for land and marine applications, excluding aircraft, land vehicles, and locomotives. It may require supplementary provisions for critical uses like hospitals or high-rise buildings. It also explains terms related to speed governing and performance characteristics specific to RIC engines driving AC generators. Next is reciprocating internal combustion engine-driven alternating current generating sets, Part 3 alternating current generators for generating sets. This standard outlines the key characteristics of alternating current generators controlled by their excitation systems when used with RIC engine-driven generating sets for land and marine applications. Next is reciprocating internal combustion engine-driven alternating current generating sets, Part 5 generating sets. It covers RIC engine plus AC generator units. Specifies design and performance standards for units, with or without grid parallel operation. Applies to land and marine use. Excludes aircraft, land vehicles, and locomotives. Allows for add-ons. Forms the base for extra requirements in critical setups like hospitals or high-rises. Next is reciprocating internal combustion engine-driven alternating current generating sets. Part 8. No damage under overload. Generating sets tested under the standard must withstand overloads without any safety-impairing damage. Uncontrolled generators. Overload protection relies on natural voltage and speed drop. The set is tested up to max load or voltage drop followed by a 30-minute temperature rise test. Controlled generators. These maintain voltage with rising load. Overload is generally limited by the engine capacity. Must have thermal protection, especially during end speed, and undergo similar testing as uncontrolled types. Final standard is reciprocating internal combustion engine-driven alternating current generating sets. Part 12 emergency power supply to safety services. This standard covers generating sets powered by reciprocating internal combustion engines used for emergency power supply to safety services. This is a crucial point. Who exactly needs to apply for BIS certification? All manufacturers falling under HSN codes need to obtain mandatory BIS certification. Before you even apply for a BIS license or certificate of conformity, you need to register with BIS. If you need step-by-step guidance tailored to your products, you can always contact us using the details given in the description below. Does this apply to foreign manufacturers? Yes, foreign manufacturers are also required to comply. Foreign manufacturers must appoint an authorized Indian representative to act on their behalf. Additionally, a performance bank guarantee of USD 10,000 must be submitted. This PBG can be from any RBI-approved bank in India. Now let's understand what exactly is BIS. BIS stands for Bureau of Indian Standards. It is India's national standards body, operating under the Department of Consumer Affairs, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Now let's understand what this order is all about. The Machinery and Electrical Equipment Safety, Omnibus Technical Regulation, Order, 2024 is a comprehensive regulation introduced by the Ministry of Heavy Industries, Government of India, issued on August 28, 2024. This regulation aims to enhance the safety and quality standards of machinery and electrical equipment that are manufactured, imported, distributed, sold, hired, or leased within India, by mandating adherence to specified Indian standards. The OTR 2024 ensures that machinery and electrical equipment meet strict safety and quality benchmarks. The goal: to protect consumers, workers, and the environment from potential hazards associated with these products. Now moving to the effective dates.
It's mandatory from September 1, 2026.
This order falls under Scheme X of BIS, which is a conformity assessment framework introduced by BIS under the BIS Conformity Assessment Regulations, 2018. It mandates certification for specific products to ensure compliance with Indian standards. Under it you can apply either for a BIS license or certificate of conformity. License for demonstration of conformity of goods or articles to the specified requirements as per the relevant standard. The Bureau may grant certificate of conformity instead of license in case the product is not desired to be manufactured on a continuous basis, and in such a case, the manufacturer shall not be authorized to use the standard mark. This is the standard mark to be printed in the product, which shall carry the license number and any other reference to the specified requirement in a visible manner and shall be as specified in the license. If the standard mark cannot be applied on the product or the packaging physically, it shall be given on the test certificate. Now let's look at some exemptions. Exemptions. Products already regulated by BIS orders, or construction equipment which are already under CMVR Rule 1989, or goods manufactured exclusively for export. Let's go through the process of obtaining a BIS license under this order. Registration with BIS. Every manufacturer must first register with BIS. After successful registration, next is license application submission. Then next will be document review. BIS will review all documents within 15 days. Next, conformity assessment. BIS will evaluate your product against the specified standards. Evaluation and inspection. This may include factory inspection, product sampling and testing from BIS recognized labs. Finally, BIS will issue the license once satisfied with the conformity and safety of your product. Why choose MindSync? At MindSync, we specialize in BIS certification support for machinery manufacturers. End-to-end support, starting with the assessment of the applicable Indian standard for your product and guiding you through the entire process until the successful grant of the license. If you want to avoid delays, confusion, and compliance risks, contact MindSync today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more compliance updates.